Yo, what is good, gang? It's your boy Ruby Smooth in the building, bro. How you guys doing today? So, I'm out here with the big body G37. Holy crap. My wheels, they're a little bit, just a tiny bit too. What the fuck? They're just a tiny bit too wide. Well, the rears, they're wide, but the front is just a little bit. But the rears, like I gotta camber all of that basically. But the front is just like, it's right there. It's like perfect, but I just need it a little bit more tucked in to like clear everything when I drive. I'm gonna be installing camber arms in the front today. For the rears, I'm still waiting for a couple things so I could fix that fitment. But for the fronts, I got some. Let me show you guys. If you guys are trying to do like any like suspension component parts for your G37 or Infinity, whatever, I highly recommend SPL. Top quality, bro. So I went with the SPL front camber arms. Litty. Look at this. Lit. So I'm gonna be installing those today. For the rears, I already have the SPL camber arms. If you guys haven't watched that video, go ahead and watch that. But I'm just waiting for the SPL toe arms for the rear, so that way I could just camber out and then fix my toe. I'm just waiting for Sturry to come because he has a jack, and then we'll get started.
Jesus Christ.
Yo, so we out here con el Tauri. Por fin llegó. Well, it feels nice without that big ass ball. Yo, let me know how the mic sounds, because I still got the external mic. But we about to start this. You can't prove, you know the bag, man. Hopefully this is easy, bro, because I don't know. It should be easy. Yeah, so we already got the first one out. It was literally 314s. You got two. Oh shit! You got two bolts in the back going in, and then you got this one right here, and then this should just come out. Ooh, that was easy. So there's like a. Yeah, you see how this one has a bend on this side, and this one's on this side. Now it's for the other side. Hold on. So here's the before and after. Before and after. So I think I gotta get these the right length. So this ball joint was kind of a little bit too thick. So we're just shaving like literally a hair off, and then it'll slide right through. Ho, let's get it, baby. So 2 hours later, we finally got the first one in. It always goes like that. You know, being on one side takes 3 hours, the other side takes 2 minutes. But we're gonna try this. The other side came a little bit shorter, so it looked like it had some camber. So we're gonna try the wheel on. Hopefully, it clears. And we'll start the other side. By the way, look at my axle, bro. Where is this? Look at this, bro. My boot is broken. My bota is broken. So we need a new bota or a new axle. I think so. Actually, I gotta jack it up and tighten that shit. But yeah, we finally finished. This is the car completely aired out in the front, and everything clears now. This side's sitting low. I think it's because the parking lot is not level, but ooh, this shit is sitting nice. Look at this. And I didn't want it too tight because I'm gonna have tire letters on, so it's gonna clear just perfectly. So then I gotta do the rears. That's for another day. Ooh. Yo, the car aired out like that makes the wheels look even bigger, bro. Damn. Ooh. Yo, what it is. It's the next day. So today, it's actually a very nice day outside. So I'm gonna install my tire letters. So these are gonna look dope because, you know, since my car's like black on black, they're really gonna pop, you know, so I think they're gonna look dope. Right here in this box, I got my rear toe arms. So all I'm waiting for now is the rear bags that I ordered. That way I could install those. And then once my bag comes in, my bags, we could put these on. So what this does, this is gonna replace that cup where the bag is now. So that's why I gotta order another piece, another bag that I could thread onto my strut that I have now. Cause this replaces the cup, and then I could adjust my toe with this. Yeah, so to put these on, it's easy. You just gotta clean your wheel with some acetone, which I got right there. My mom had that saved up. And then you just want to take off like basically any grease or like tire shine and stuff like that. Once it's like clean, you basically just glue it on. And yeah, if you guys are trying to get this, I got this at tiresticker.com right there. If you guys want these, tirestickers.com. You want to make sure you get your gloves on. Your prostate. And then just start cleaning your tires until there's nothing there. You just want to get all that grease off and shit. So then you just wanna glue. Put some glue here. Don't put too much, because then once you put it on the tire, it's gonna look ugly once it comes off. I don't know if you get me. just put some glue here, not too much, enough, you know, where you cover it, and then once you put it on the tire, it won't like come out through the side and shit. So I got the first half done all the way around. I'll have to go back, put a little bit more glue there, but I got these, and this side done too. So I'm gonna just pull the car forward a little bit and then do the other side. Oh shit, bro. Jesus Christ. Imagine this shit rolling, bro. Yeah, this shit looks crazy. So guys, comment down below what do you guys think of this setup, bro. I'm like in love with this right now. I can't, bro, my neighbors probably think I'm weird and shit, but holy fuck, Jesus, damn, what the holy shit, my god, I'm loving how this car is turning out so far. It's dope. Once I tint the car, bro, finally finished wrapping what I gotta wrap. I still gotta finish the bumpers. Oh my god, I'm gonna be hyped. Look at the girth on these tires, bro. Holy shit. Once Trump sends my money, I'm gonna order the rest of the wrap, and then I'm gonna wrap the rest of the car. And then after that, there's not that much left to do. Just a couple small things, and then we out, boys. But I'll see you guys in a few.